Welcome back to Machine Squad. Imagine this, you're a soldier pinned down in hostile territory. Suddenly, the earth trembles, and the sky roars. You look up, and there it is. A shadow in the clouds. Guns blazing. Missiles locked. Death from above. In modern warfare, tanks might rule the ground, but attack helicopters dominate the skies. These are not just flying machines. These are airborne predators, faster than tanks, deadlier than drones, and smart enough to hunt in packs. Today, we're counting down the top 7 unstoppable attack helicopters in modern combat, machines so powerful, they've changed how wars are fought. These are the real flying tanks of the 21st century. Buckle up, things are about to get loud. Let's kick off our list with the Turkish-built T-129 ATAK. Don't let its smaller size fool you. This is a lethal lightweight, designed for speed, agility, and urban combat. Built on the Italian A129 Mangusta airframe, the T-129 is custom-made for asymmetric warfare, the kind where enemies hide behind buildings, not battle lines. Equipped with 20mm 3-barrel cannon. AMTA's anti-tank missiles. Advanced thermal imaging and electronic warfare systems. The T-129 shines in mountainous regions and close support roles, as proven in Turkey's counterinsurgency operations. It's like a wasp, small, fast, and absolutely vicious when it stings. Coming in at number 6, meet the Z-10, China's first purpose-built attack helicopter. Developed by AVIC with Russian assistance, this beast is China's answer to the Apache. Armed with HJ-10 anti-tank missiles, TY-90 air-to-air missiles, 30mm autocannon. The Z-10 has seen action in border patrols and military exercises in Tibet and the South China Sea. While still evolving, newer Z-10 versions have improved armor and more powerful engines, making it more survivable on the battlefield. The message is clear, China wants air dominance, and the Z-10 is just the beginning. Now let's talk about Europe's pride, the Eurocopter Tiger, a joint Franco-German design with a deadly bite. This twin-engine attack helicopter is built for high agility, stealth, and precision. It's seen action in Afghanistan, Mali, and Libya. Variants include the French HAD, with 30mm gun and Hellfire missiles. The German UHT, focusing on long-range missiles like PARS-3 and HOT-3. Its narrow frame, advanced sensor suite, and composite armor make it one of the hardest helicopters to hit, and one of the deadliest to face. In the right hands, the Tiger is a silent killer, striking fast, then vanishing into the clouds. A rising star in the skies, India's own Prachand, formerly known as LCH or Light Combat Helicopter. Designed for high-altitude warfare, the Prachand was born from necessity, after India faced threats in the Kargil War and realized it needed an agile, all-weather chopper that could fight above 16,000 feet. Armed with Mistral air-to-air missiles, 20mm turret gun, ATGM, anti-tank guided missiles. It's been deployed in the Himalayas, where oxygen is low but danger is high. The Prachand is proof that modern warfare isn't just about tech, it's about terrain. And this machine owns the mountains. Welcome to raw Russian power, the Mi-28N Havoc. This brute of a helicopter is designed to take hits and hit back harder. Key features: all-weather, day/night capability, 30mm Shipyonov cannon, Attica V and Chrysanthema anti-tank missiles. The Mi-28 has heavily armored cockpits, can survive direct hits from 20mm shells, and keeps flying even with damaged rotors. It's been used in Syria, backing Russian and Syrian troops in urban warfare, proving its toughness and firepower. Think of the Havoc as a flying battering ram, relentless, rugged, and terrifying to enemy armor. At number 2 is the helicopter that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, the Ka-52 Alligator. This coaxial rotor marvel has no tail rotor, giving it superior agility. Ejection seats, yes, in a helicopter. V-Crore Attica missiles. 30mm cannon. The Alligator combines stealth, speed, and shock value. It's Russia's most advanced attack helicopter, used heavily in Ukraine for recon and frontline strikes. But what makes it deadly isn't just its weapons, it's its networked warfare capability, allowing it to coordinate strikes with drones and jets. This is the future of warfare, aircraft that think together and kill together. And now, the king of the skies. The AH-64E Apache Guardian. The most feared attack helicopter in the world. Why? Because it's battle-proven in Iraq, Afghanistan, Syria, and more. Armed with AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. Equipped with longbow radar for target tracking. Capable of man-unmanned teaming with drones. The Apache E can see in the dark, hide behind terrain, and kill tanks before they even see it coming. With its tandem cockpit, smart targeting systems, and incredible survivability, the Apache isn't just a chopper, it's a complete air dominance system. Used by the U.S. Army, plus dozens of allies, the Apache has redefined what it means to own the battlefield. This isn't a helicopter. It's a flying death dealer. From deserts to jungles, mountains to cities, these helicopters have transformed modern warfare. They're no longer just support vehicles, they're frontline game changers. Fast. Precise. Unstoppable. As conflicts evolve, these birds of prey will keep flying, smarter, deadlier, and more autonomous than ever before. So next time you hear that thunder in the distance, look up. That's not a storm. That's the sound of a war machine with rotor blades. This is Machine Squad. If you love high-powered tech, military legends, and war machines that dominate the skies, subscribe, like, and sound off in the comments. What helicopter do you think rules the skies? Did your favorite make the list? Let's talk warbuds below.